In this episode of NCAP TV, we're going to talk about one-off cleaning versus setting up a maintenance program for your commercial carpet cleaning customers. How does it benefit them? How does it benefit you? Stay tuned. So what do we mean when we say one-off cleaning? That's when someone calls you to come and give an estimate on a carpet. Perhaps the carpet hasn't been cleaned for a year or two or three. Who knows how long it's been. And at this point, the carpet is ugly and filthy, and that's why they're finally getting around to asking you to come and give them a proposal for carpet cleaning. In this case, though, the carpet has uglied out. It's kind of hit rock bottom. So you're being called in to resurrect the carpet, you could say. The problem here is that the carpet has declined to a level that's unacceptable. Now, what we're talking about with maintenance cleaning is going to be something completely different from that. We want to keep the carpet at a very high level of appearance. In fact, studies have shown, there have been a number of studies, I've seen many of them posted throughout the years, where if you can keep a carpet at a very high level of maintenance, in other words, let's say it starts at 100%, drops to 90%, we clean it again, it pops back up to 99%, let it drop back down to 90 and it comes back up to 98. In other words, it's a very gradual decline over the entire life of the carpet, whereas when you let it swing wildly, when you let it start at 100% and drop down to, say, 30%, it only pops back up to 90, and then they drop it back down to 25%. It comes back up to 80. You see what I'm saying? The curve goes down very, very quickly. Over a shorter period of time, the life of the carpet is diminished. Whereas if we can keep that carpet clean, just let it gradually decline over time. In other words, over 10 years, your carpet's going to stay clean looking consistently. If we take those wild swings, it's much harder to bring it back to its original condition, and the carpet wears out much quicker and uglies out much quicker and needs to be replaced much quicker. Now, the cost of replacing carpet, it's not just the price of buying carpet, it's the downtime. That's the part, particularly in a commercial building, that makes it unapproachable to consider replacing carpet, because you've got to pull out all the desks and the file cabinets and everything in the building, rip out the carpet, put in new carpet. The downtime is really catastrophic, plus the cost, plus just the waste of replacing carpet. It's unnecessary. Now, when we think about carpet cleaning, we think about two modes of cleaning: hot water extraction, and we're big proponents, as you know, for encapsulation. Now, hot water extraction is a great way to unload the carpet. If a carpet has hit rock bottom, it's loaded with soil. There's not a speck of space left to hide another gram of soil in that carpet. We need to empty the carpet. And flushing the carpet with hot water extraction is a great way to get that job done. Hot water extraction has the ability to remove the greatest amount of soil in a single cleaning because of its ability to flush carpet. But let's talk about maintenance. If we can keep a carpet clean, if we can keep it in a good condition, we can maintain it with encapsulation indefinitely. That's the benefit of a good encapsulation carpet cleaning program. And when you're working with a product like Release It, it makes it very easy to capture soil, hold it in suspension till it can be vacuumed out of the carpet. And because we're working with a crystallizing polymer that can't attract soil, it's going to stay clean longer. Plus, we have the Soilies protector built into our detergents, making it very easy to maintain the carpet. Well, we want to get right to the point here. What are we talking about selling to our customers? One-off cleaning, which is typically what they're going to call for. Typically, they're going to pick up the phone and call you because their carpet looks terrible and they want you to come out and make it look good again. That's a one-off cleaning. In other words, you come in, you give them a price, you clean the carpet, and we're done. And they may never call you again. Let's face it. I mean, they just picked up the phone and looked for somebody to fix this problem that they have, this carpet that hasn't been cleaned in 3 years, and they called you. Who are they going to call next time? Who knows? But maintenance is a completely different animal. Let me explain how it works. So let's take, just for round numbers, we'll take a 10,000 square foot building. Let's just use that as our starting point. 10,000 square foot building. Now, if you were going to do your one-off cleaning at 25 cents a square foot, you'd make a grand total on that job of $2,500. And let's face it, $2,500 check for a business is a good-sized check to write. So that's probably why they held off for 3 years or longer perhaps, because they didn't want to spend $2,500 to get the carpets cleaned. But let's look at that from a maintenance cleaning standpoint. If we were to clean that in a maintenance program, we can set that up where we would clean, let's say, 1,000 square feet of that building is traffic lanes. Out of your 10,000, roughly 1,000 square foot would be traffic lanes. So take the 1,000 square feet, and we're going to add 2,500 square feet additional of cleaning the whole building. What we're going to do in this case, we're going to plan to clean this account every other month. So in other words, we're going to clean the 1,000 square feet of traffic lane plus 2,500 square feet as we chip away throughout the entire building every other month. So in other words, every other month we're going to clean 3,500 square feet. 1,000 plus 2,500. You with me so far? 3,500 square feet we're going to clean every other month. Now, we bid them 25 cents a square foot to do that one-off big muscle cleaning to try to bring their carpet back to life again. But in this case, in a maintenance program, we can trim those numbers down a little bit. Let's price this now at 15 cents a square foot. And you're going to see how this works out for you because it's an easy account to maintain. If we clean it at 15 cents a square foot, our cleaning at 15 cents times 3,500 square feet comes out to $525. But we're going to set this up on a monthly billing. So we'll cut that in half. That comes out to $262.50. $262.50. And we're going to charge that every month. Now, you tell me, would a business owner prefer to pay $2,500 or $262.50 a month? Now, the benefit to the $262.50 a month, although they are going to pay just a little bit more over the course of a year, that would work out to an annual cost of $3,150 a year. But look what they're getting. They're getting consistently clean carpet. They're going to have carpet that's clean day in, day out. Plus, they're going to have a relationship with you. You're going to be in there taking care of them. They're going to grow to appreciate that they can trust you, that they can place their confidence in your ability to keep their carpets looking good day in and day out. It's also going to extend the life of the carpet. We're not going to have those wild fluctuations where the carpet bottoms out and we're trying to bring it back. Instead, it's going to be much more of a straight line. That carpet's going to stay looking great year-round. They're not going to have to deal with stains and spots or anything. The carpet's going to be perpetually clean. So there's so many benefits for your customer to get set up in a maintenance program, and you're going to see benefits too because now you have bankable money that you can consistently look to be receiving. If you ever want to sell your business too, when you have maintenance contracts set up, you're going to be in a position to sell your business because now you have something of value. Those one-off calls don't really present a consistent ticket that you can present to someone that might be interested in buying your business. So there are so many benefits to you, the business owner, to set up a maintenance program, but particularly for your customer too. It's a win-win all around. They're going to be able to enjoy clean carpet consistently throughout the year at a price that they can build into their budget, they can plan on, and they know what their expenditure for carpet care is going to be. And it's in a bite-sized chunk that they can manage. Now, I've got a special treat. We put together a Release It Commercial Carpet Maintenance Guide. Now, this guide is intended to help these types of contract customers appreciate the value of setting up a maintenance program. I'm going to put a link to the PDF of this below, and I welcome you to take this and use it as it is. Don't modify it, but that PDF is a wonderful tool to help them see the value of maintenance. So the PDF will be in a link below on this video. So hopefully these ideas will help you see how you can approach commercial carpet cleaning in a more profitable way that will benefit you and your customer. I thank you for watching. It's just one more way we hope to help you max your end cap here at Excellent Supply. So thanks for watching, and please, if you would, hit the like, subscribe, share your comments below. We appreciate it when you do that as well. Have a great day.